guys, finally I am seeing lightning and stuff like this. This is crazy. Hopefully another strike. But I just heard thunder. And it's awesome, and I know that I'm in an unsafe area. But this is awesome. I totally gotta get this on camera. We just came home from looking at houses. Why is it like when I just come home from looking at houses, I get thunderstorms? I'm hoping I at least get one flash, but it's like the intervals are like every minute, so like, so likely aren't. It's also dry lightning, and it's not good because of how dry the conditions are right now. So if any of it strikes, we could get a fire. But to be honest, right now all I'm hoping for is just to finally get this on camera. But it's probably not a good idea to stand in the trees. So let me at least go into a little bit of cover, even though it's like basically cover. Come on, storms. Of course, the minute I start recording, it's not going to be a flash of lightning. This is cloud to ground lightning, but I can kind of hear a little bit of thunder. Right over there. Right now I'm at my grandma's apartment. Yeah, I can hear it. Thunder is like right over in that area. Hoping I get another flash. Oh, there's someone like right over there. I might hear a little bit of thunder. There's about 8 Mississippi, so 8 miles. 8 miles. So about once the storm, man, it's like keeps going and going and over. My goodness. Okay. Oh my goodness. It's still going. Ooh. Is this storm starting to pick up? It might be starting to pick up now. Good. Yeah, we might actually, this storm might be getting a little bit stronger. I'm waiting for a bright flash. Oh, I hear sirens. To be honest, I don't think that I'm gonna get a lightning strike on camera. If I was to get a lightning strike like right about there, then that would be kind of awesome because it's about all you can see. But I would have to end the video immediately after that because that's like right on top of my head. I haven't seen any more lightning. No, it's just a wind. I hear police cars. I hear thunder. I keep hearing thunder, but no lightning. Ooh, I want lightning storms. At least bring me like a bright flash or something. Pretty interesting. Clouds are all right there. The camera actually picks this up better than it actually looks in real life. In real life, I can barely see those little bumps right there, but the camera picks it up pretty good, so I'm actually really happy about that. But the camera doesn't really pick up the flash out lightning very good. I really wish that I was to get a strike of lightning like somewhere on one of the hills around here. Doesn't seem like it. Might have to end the video. But I just saw some right there. But I'm not sure. Unless I hear thunder again, then it'll make sense. Storms don't usually get strong around here. Even though it's like really humid, storms usually don't get strong. Nope, just heard thunder.